Morning everyone. So we're on our way to Rustival at the British Motor Museum at Gaydon. So I've got Dave behind. He's in the classic 2023 Polestar 2. Once we get there, we'll show you around.
Well, we've got a beautiful morning here in Gaydon, and I'm just on my way down now to find Liam. Should be parking up. I was supposed to bring Maggie. I came in the Polestar today, so I'm in visitor parking, just so if I need to nip off at any point I can. But let's go check out Rustival.
We have arrived.
Rustival.
There's a Bob.
I wonder if it's as crusty underneath as Bob.
Probably.
Getting some pointers for when we have to do some welding.
No, it's in really good nick.
Although, the undersealed bits look very similar.
What, because they look like underseal?
Yeah.
I don't think it is an FFR, you know, because there's no oil cooler on it.
So there was some of the FFRs were civilian spec as well.
Oh.
So where they were trying to bring them in quick, they just took civilian spec ones off the production line.
Got you.
But yeah, I mean, it hasn't got the military crossmember either.
Yeah, you see, top's not standard.
But it might be the wing, might have got the wing tops off of FFR, maybe.
Yeah, I thought it would be.
We're just getting some pointers for Bob's. It's a very eclectic mix of cars, isn't there? Ferrari that JM on Cars came in.
Ferrari next to a Sirocco.
Yeah.
Opposite Morris Minors.
Surprised that Maserati got in.
Yes, it is fairly impressive that it made
That's
it.
cool.
Yes,
What, the buggy?
Really cool. The Volvo. That piece?
No, I thought it was, but it isn't.
I don't think that drove it.
UK barn finds.
No, probably not.
Dodge. Watch out then.
Wow. That'll hurt.
Simpsons classic.
Oh, wow. Surname.
No, I think it might have been his. Got the same radio as Maggie. Yeah,
Yeah, he had that awesome 940 Vera.
he did. Until it was unfortunately
Well, it wasn't it rear end. Was it rear? No, it was Crash for Cash,
crashed.
wasn't it?
Yeah. This is all Furious's cars.
Oh, is it? This is Furious's section.
Well, apart from the
Oh, yeah.
Primera.
That's the one I saw on the way in.
That's a Defender, that one.
It's cool, isn't it?
And we used to all sit in the back.
Yeah.
We used to just go driving up the hill.
Look at that Dacia.
Yeah.
Dacia.
Dacia Sandero. Oh my god, it's a Citroen BX.
Didn't they have that? I just had it.
They did. Unbelievably comfortable and uncomfortable all at the same time.
What's that?
The Citroen BX.
Suspension.
Unbelievably comfortable, however, the seats were made of like Aran wool.
That a Trabant.
Death
Mighty
trap.
cool.
It's a Trabant.
Yeah, but what's...
Two-stroke. It's been stickered up, hasn't it?
Yeah, but what's that? What's
I
that?
mean, that is.
That's the engine.
Never.
Yeah, it's a two-stroke air-cooled.
Is that the fuel tank?
Yeah.
That is mighty cool.
Spare plugs just in case.
Fairy.
Two-stroke oil.
Look at that.
Oh, Miss Hubnut's car's here. Yeah,
Very nice Volvo.
it is a very nice pot Volvo.
Lovely colour, isn't it?
Yeah, that is tidy. Oh, fire brigade are here. Dodge!
The size of it. I had to like zoom out to get it in.
Me for comparison.
You do look tiny.
Maybe that's what I need, it'll make me feel better.
Little bread
Look at
van.
the Nokia in the dashboard.
Yes, I saw this on Facebook, I think.
30...
Very retro.
3310 maybe?
Yeah. There's my first car.
Never mind, Dave.
Little Corsa. I loved it.
It's a Tomcat, I think, isn't it?
It was my first. It was an Opel Champion. It was an Irish import.
An Opel Champion.
Yeah.
Champion? Oh.
Oh. That's nice, isn't it? Look at that Volvo.
Yeah,
there,
they do
the
need the
9/4.
bags.
That's what you need on your head when you're driving.
I think
it,
that's
so
the
that
point.
Nobody can tell who you are.
The bags are there ready.
Put over your head when you're driving one of them.
Got a bit of leakage. It's fine.
You are in no position to ever criticise anyone about leakage. Ever.
Why?
That is true.
Not anymore.
Seepage.
Because I've got the leakiest car in the world.
Yours was more gushage.
There's an Annie.
That's a lot of stickers.
He does drawing in the back of it.
Oh,
How does it?
Yeah, he
Look at this.
caricatures cars.
I reckon those wheels would fit on Bob.
You reckon?
Yeah. Oh God, yeah.
I reckon we should have a green goddess in the fleet.
I think we should get a green goddess.
Yeah.
You saw one not that long ago, didn't you?
Yeah, it was 2k. And it'll take up most of the drive. There's an Annie.
Lovely that one, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, I can smell bacon.
Yeah, the bacon does smell very good.
Oh. Citron.
It's not our mate, is it?
It's a Shento. Only
Look,
everything.
there's Badger Lodges. Oh, and he's got graphics now.
Oh, that's really annoying. Ear defenders in it.
Sam, we are loving the graphics.
I love the fact that he's got every
It's
single
awesome,
piece
isn't
of
it?
tool with it. I think it's really cool.
It is awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know why, because
It
they're
is
rubbish,
proper cool.
but I
And
think
the paint
I
colour
think
as
they're
well,
really
just-
cool.
It fits, doesn't
Oh,
it?
but it's so unstable though.
It will be
Oh
unstable.
my god, it'd be scary.
It can't be any scarier than Bob.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
You're.
We just met Badger Lodge. It was really nice to have a chat with him. And
Yeah.
we're going to recommence our walk around.
There's a Tesla.
Oh, I definitely should have got the Polestar.
Told you. And look, they haven't even bothered to clean it.
It's true. It's cool.
2.6.
It's
127.
so cool, isn't it?
It's the high-powered version.
That's quite cool.
Look at how cool that is.
It's got 69.
69 brake
That's the
horsepower.
same as the midget.
Oh my god.
And it's pulling 2.25 ton.
It's all about the
No wonder it
torque.
don't go so fast.
It's all about the torque, all right? Jesus.
Mark. It's a.
Let's cross the road.
There's a split screen.
Getting his jiggle on.
I have to be careful, otherwise it doesn't stop.
The momentum carries you.
Oh, hang on. Eileen spotted something.
Eileen likes these.
I can't afford one. Would you like to start a GoFundMe for one of these?
Let's have a look at his innards.
Jesus, that's tidy.
Race cane in.
Bloody hell.
It's nice, isn't it, that? And that's what it's come from, isn't it?
Blimey, that's had a full rebuild, hasn't it? It's a Mark 1 as well, I think, isn't it? Look at the exhaust.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's ridiculous.
I'd probably prang that going backwards.
Yeah, that would be the reversing sensors. This is also hub nuts.
Yes, it is, isn't it? Because
Well,
she's just past the
it's
desk.
Miss hub nuts, yeah. That's a hell of a mounting bracket.
Yeah, it's a big mount, isn't it? Just for a phone. Now got this section in the top car park.
There's a Ford Granada Scorpio.
It's moggy. It is cool. I do like a bit of patina, which is kind of good.
I mean, that's been painted with a brush.
I like that, doesn't it?
It has. Brush painted.
You still want those?
Yeah, I really like these.
I like that.
That looks like it might be off like an A35 or something.
Might be, they probably shared loads of things.
You still want them?
Maybe we should paint it with a brush.
Fuck it, just roller paint it.
Yeah,
I mean, you could roller it.
yeah, just treat the rust and
'cause
roller
the
it.
roller, you wouldn't get the lines in it, would you?
Paint it with coach paint.
Yeah, do what. You can have some NATO green if you want.
NATO green it and have matching cars.
I'm a big fan of these Rovers. They're like quintessential.
It's a Volvo. Yeah, the 200 and 400 series were,
so
weren't
cool.
they?
Like proper 90s cars, aren't they? Bit of everything up here. They've got a lot of car parking, haven't they?
They have. It's a very popular museum, though,
It's
isn't
a
it?
big meet-up place, isn't it?
Yeah.
Another 100 horsepower.
I think that's actually in a Bath.
They might swap the engines in.
Yeah,
I don't think they ever made an Abarth version of it.
they must have
From,
done. They
the
did
factory.
crazy things for it. Ford badges on upside down. That's brilliant.
I do like a retro Jap car as well. Like the Thunder and the Toyota.
The only problem
They
with
look
Jap
cool.
cars is they rot.
Yeah.
They are absolute rot boxes.
Can't be any worse than a Land Rover.
They are. Ask Brian, he'll tell you.
Ah.
Oh, look.
Now this is Kale's. Remember we saw it at
Yeah,
Great
at
British
Great
Car
British Car
He's the one that had the seats out of Bricky but then did the leather swap. Such a good looking car.
It's smart, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, the old Nokia.
Tesco value air freshener.
Love it.
I don't think many people know this section's up here, do they yet?
Doesn't look that way. Mind you, it's not supposed to open until 10. It's another
time we are?
15 minutes.
It's not 10 yet.
No.
Bloody hell.
Yeah.
It was all broken.
Yeah, completely new chassis. Changed the engine.
Awesome.
Body was off. It's like Trigger's broom.
Ford.
It's a Ford Awesome.
Is that
It's a kit car.
No.
It's a kit car.
It's like I've never heard of that.
It's a kit car.
Played on that one.
Oh, a Carlton. Don't see Carltons anymore.
Unforgettable.
Do like a Carlton.
Convertible one, that is really tidy. 1,800 quid. Dave, lend me 1,800 quid. Dave's not listening.
Hey, what are you saying?
Says lend him 1,800 quid.
68,000 miles.
It's clean,
Give him
isn't
an
it?
£1,800 bonus.
Yeah, can I have an 1,800 quid bonus?
A bit like now.
That is really
Number plate
tidy.
as well. It's brilliant. Rover.
Oh, that's fantastic. That is such a cool
Project Nigel,
car.
we'll have to look him up on YouTube.
Burglar alarm 4446 Sheridan, 4446 Sheridan, apartment 39.
It's so good, isn't it? I love the way they've themed it like that. Got like the radios on and everything.
And the donuts.
Yeah, the Krispy Kremes. It's brilliant, isn't it?
791 unit on deal.
A few more have arrived now. It's brilliant. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? I do like a Berlingo. Something about them. It's a great multi-purpose car. Brilliant and shit.
It was fantastic.
Yeah. It's probably got a multitude of warning lights on the dash. Big fan of the Marina. I bet these are going to be like future classics, the old like 172s and 182 Clios. Another nice Volvo.
And leather interior.
Yeah. This is all Volvos.
340. Yay.
It's nice, isn't it? You've got to look at it for inspiration. Again, that's rollered, isn't it? I reckon. Something nice about a pop-up headlight, isn't there? There was a thing on TikTok, or it might have been on YouTube Shorts. There's two MX-5s, they call them Miatas in America. One at the lights over here and one over in the distance there, and they would just kept raising their lights, like waving at each other with the lights. It's brilliant. It's a nice Forester.
No.
They're cool.
She don't go anywhere.
Right then guys, that was Rustival. Really good show actually, yeah. Lots of variety of different cars and people. It was nice to meet Badger Lodge. Great to have a chat with him, and hopefully we can maybe get together in the future and do something as a joint effort. So yeah, we're going to head back now. It's just coming up to 2:30. The event finishes at 3, but we want to try and get out and beat the rush. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like the video, give us a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!